We're on a track! Turn left! Ding, 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 ding. Right here! Oh! He almost had to back up a little bit.
Almost.
I better pause it.
Look at this. We got one down there.
Better stop.
Which one's closer? This one?
We better stop. Stop.
We better stop, Daddy.
Because he's only about half a mile.
You're right.
Well, a little more.
He's about a half a mile, okay? See?
I'm gonna make it into Kelly Road or no?
I
I doubt it.
But I doubt it, okay?
It's not. Maybe on the next train, maybe. Come on. Turn around.
Turn around.
We're gonna have daters any minute. Immediately.
There he is. I see him coming, so.
We're gonna have daters. There, daters!
Dana!
Daters already! Ding, 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 ding!
Horn. Okay.
Like ding, 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 ding!
Look, dang, 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 dang.
No, it's okay! Daddy!
Dang, dang.
Daddy!
What?
You can't video both at the same time.
Why?
Because if you video both at the same time on your iPhone 6, it will say, Daddy, are you allowed to video a train on your camera and take a video on your iPhone 6?
Look!
That's
It's
not.
coming! That train!
It's going slow.
Is he? Go fast, train!
And it's 2 engines.
Look,
And it's 2 engines.
speed us up!
Maybe on the next train will be the next train on Kelly Road, or I doubt it too.
Well, I don't know.
And how close he was.
Right, look, he's hauling coal. That's a lot finer coal than what they had the last time. The last time was just pure rocks, but this is chunked up. Powder almost. Coke.
And just coal haulers only?
Yeah, lots of it.
And just coal haulers only, or is it gonna be and chicken haulers?
Well, I don't know, because I just see coal right now.
And just coal haulers maybe.
Maybe just coal haulers. Well, that's a lot of coal. We use a lot of coal, don't we? Takes a lot of coal to burn to make electricity, huh? They take and burn it and turn the turbines in the electricity plant. And that's how you get your lights on at home. Yep. All because of coal. Well, is this one going to be so long that the other train's going to pass through here?
And so disgusted.
And no, you're not.
It will be.
You're not so disgusted yet.
It will be.
It's against the law to be disgusted right now. You can't be disgusted, especially he might have a caboose.
Trains do not never have a caboose.
You know what? Sometimes they do.
No, they don't.
Sometimes they do.
No, they don't.
But they do.
No, they don't.
And sometimes they have a guy riding in there. In the caboose.
Can you hear an engine?
And he waves at everybody.
Can you hear another engine?
Yeah, I do.
Why is so disgusted?
But you're not. But what? So disgusted, Barrington Northern Santa Fe.
He's going around the gate.
He's all, don't do that.
Barely did.
I'm calling the cops.
No. I know why.
Well, why?
Because he's in a hurry.
But
Hurry.
You should never.
Onto Kelly Road.
You don't never get in that big of a hurry. Okay?
See?
Look, there he is.
Did he and stop?
I don't know.
Because of that red and red down there?
Maybe he did.
Maybe he had it to.
Yeah.
To right?